Hello there. Today I'm going to show you my 10 steps to how to replace an engine air filter on a 2008 Saturn Vue. Locating the filter housing is very easy. Facing the front of the car with the hood open, it's the big black box on the left. Alright, let's get started. First, loosen the clamp that connects the flex hose to the housing and pull it back out of the way. Second, disconnect the sensor plug attached to the housing. Third, loosen all 4 screws from the top 4 corners of the housing cover. Note that these screws do not come all the way out so you don't lose them. A few turns should loosen them up. Fourth, we now lift the housing cover. 5. Remove the dirty filter from the housing. 6. Clean inside the filter housing and housing cover as necessary. 7. Install the new filter and make sure it's flush with the housing. It can only be installed in one position. 8. Reinstall the cover and make sure it's lined perfectly before tightening the 4 screws. Nine. Replug the sensor into the housing. And last and not least, 10. Slide the hose back onto the housing and tighten the clamp. Now it's recommended you do this every 15 to 20,000 miles, or whichever comes first, or if you're in a dusty area, guys, you gotta change it. Don't procrastinate like I do. Here's something to ponder on. A dirty air filter will cause your Vue, which is a 3.6 liter, to lose 1 to 3 miles per gallon, depending your habit of driving. You can save 70 to 100 gallons of gas per year by simply changing your filter as needed. Not to mention the strain you're putting on your engine. These filters are not expensive at all. Try to have a spare. When you go to check the filter, you can easily replace it for a new one. I hope this helps someone out there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, click on my icon on the top right of the screen and check out some of my end videos. And after all that, you guys have a great day.